Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your developer account is active and paid because you cannot proceed otherwise. Once that's ready, collect the binary, icons, multiple-size screenshots, and your privacy policy link so uploads are smooth. Make sure you set the app name, SKU, and bundle ID now. These are identifiers that stick. Then open App Store Connect or Google Play Console and create a new app record. Don't skip metadata fields because they control visibility and store classification. Once done with the app record, upload your build using Xcode/transporter for iOS or Play Console/Gradle for Android. This creates the binary entry. While the build processes, configure pricing, territories, and content ratings so your app appears in the right markets. Make sure in-app purchases, entitlements, API keys, and permissions are declared because reviewers check them. Also attach accurate screenshots and descriptions to each device type to prevent rejection for missing assets. You submit the app for review and then actively monitor the review status. Reviewers may leave notes that require your quick action. Before you hit submit, run final QA on real devices to catch crashes, sign-in errors, and permission prompts. If the app is rejected, read the review comments carefully, fix the specific issue, increment the build number, and re-upload. This avoids repeated rejections. One troubleshooting tip: check server endpoints and test accounts first, because backend failures cause many rejections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.